Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your PPT or PowerPoint presentation from Genspark.ai. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is head on over to genspark.com. I've signed into my account. You can go ahead and create an account for free if you like. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click onto AI slides. So I'm just going to build a PPT. So I'm going to have a look at the explore page here. So I'm just going to click here, click on use this template. And now from here, I'm just going to say, create me a presentation on fitness. All right, so it's going to go ahead and create me a PowerPoint presentation on fitness here. So I'm just going to let this run and do its thing here. Now, once it's finished, I'm going to show you how to export that PPT from Genspark. Okay, so it has completed my PowerPoint presentation of fitness and well-being. So in order to export this from Genspark, we need to go ahead and click onto where it says view and export. And now we can go ahead and click on that export. So we can export as PPTX, or we can even PDF or Google Slides. So click on that button. But I think you might need to be a paying member to use this. I'm not too sure. Let's have a look. So export slides. So yeah, here we go. So export features are only available for Plus, Pro and Team members. So you will need to go ahead and upgrade if you haven't upgraded already. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and export this as a PowerPoint presentation.